Pretties, I'm here at Chunmun in Greater Noida, and this is the ladies and children section. I'm more in the ladies section, and they have some lovely, I'll show you, these are short tops, I think kurtas, which are for $6.99 onwards. This is a nice store. You have 3 floors. They have kids, they have general section below, which has got bags, shoes, and this is the ladies section, center section. The first floor is the men's section and the boys section, and this is ladies and the girls section. And this has got, you see the pricing, they have some 50% off. These are some kurtas for $6.99 each. They onwards, they say. Okay, the dress that I'm wearing is also from Chunmun. You see the dress, it's a very pretty dress, and they have lovely dresses. You see the mannequins here, beautiful they are. They see the fabrics, see the kurtas. This is Chunmun in Greater Noida. I love their collection also. They are stocking various designers. You see the presentation of their store. I like the way they have presented those clothes. This is a very nice sorted presentation, in which you have suits, heavy designer wear, party wear, wedding wear. Very, very nice way of presenting. Then they have fabrics. You see the people's, that side where the people are standing behind me, that side, that corner there. They are into those fabrics. They have fabrics and suits if you want unstitched. So they are also available. This is something very nice. They have lowers this side. These are the lowers if you want. A very good store to visit for ladies and girls, even for men if they like. I haven't been to their men's section, but I'm sure they must be good. And they have lovely scarves on the lower section. That's the ground floor. So a very beautiful store. I remember I was small, I was a kid. I used to come to Chunmun and we used to buy at Chunmun as kids. So I'm here now after so many years, and still the brand is running. That's amazing. Their fabrics and their collection is too good. You can check out. This is the boys section. I think children, girls, I think this is more on girls section. That side is the boys section. So very nice store. You can come and check out. Very good collection. So that's it from here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is their ground floor section, which they have their luggages here. They have luggage, suitcase, trolley suitcases. Then they have your upholstery, that is your bed sheets, bed covers, this side, and your comforters. So they are all in all a one departmental store. This is Chunmun in Greater Noida. I don't think they have any other. आपका और स्टोर है कोई? Okay. So they have a lot of, I don't know, आपका और स्टोर है कोई चुनमुन का? हाँ, नहीं, नोएडा में, दिल्ली में नहीं ना, यही है
आपका यहाँ मॉडल टाउन में है आपका.
So they have more stores also, so you can check out online also. They have lots of stores. This is actually a complete departmental store by the name Chunmun. So this is something very nice. ये देखिए, this is the shoes and the sandal section. They have nice varieties. This is really, really nice. A very smart one. Very smart. This is pretty good. But let me just check it out. So this is how they are. They've got some floaters for the kids here for swimming, and these are the sections. These are the shoes. Very nice departmental store. Then they have some pretty party wear frocks for the little ones this side, and they have trolley bags here. Some nice Crocs this side. So there are 3 floors: the ground floor, first floor, and second floor.